Another thing I want to stress to you, how important the undercarriage is in a vehicle. You see me in my videos all the time. I crawl underneath these vans, both front and back. But I want you to check out these mobility vans, about 5-6 inches of room here. It's hard to get underneath these vans. So we have the proper equipment. We spent the money to get these checked out. But I want to show you something underneath here. Doug, show me this fuel line we discovered.
Well, what we came in, couldn't really tell from the ground. These have been zip tied up. These fuel lines have been crimped, pretty much flushed, flattened out. This is actually the vent line for their tank. More kinks.
Sure.
And you know they're not where they should be. They're running very, very close to the exhaust system. They should be much further up into the engine bay, not sitting 3 inches from our exhaust system.
Right. So on this kink here, you know, I'm obviously going to limit your fuel flow. Obviously, that's about to start leaking, and you do not want fuel leaking. So that's one of the major issues we found on this vehicle that definitely needs to be addressed, that you wouldn't be able to see, even if you crawled underneath to look at this. If you don't have a lift like this, if you don't have the people with the right equipment, you're not going to know about this. That's a danger to you, your family, and your business.